In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the AVA Master P60 pressure washer, having a look at some of the features on it and checking out exactly what comes in this box. Hi, I'm Jane from Practically Perfect Mums, where hundreds of thousands of you have watched our real-life household reviews. I was contacted by AVA of Norway, who have produced a range of award-winning pressure washers, and they've sent me some of their washers and accessories to review. And today we're going to be looking at the Master P60. Okay, so let's have a look at the box here. So it's the Master P60 large bundle, and we'll check out what exactly that comes with in a minute. The new experience: get closer, wash wider, optimize power and water force, new tilt resistant design and follow me hose. Designed for you, adjustable tool length for any task, zero force trigger for strain reduction, unique practical tool rack for the lance. Made to last, long lasting 4-cylinder metal pump, flexible steel reinforced hose, and AVA service program beyond the warranty. Let's move over here. So it's got a foam cannon included in it for washing with foam. Some quotes and okay, some more specs over here. So 145 bar maximum pressure, 500 litres per hour maximum water flow, 2,100 watts, 8-metre hose, which is steel reinforced. Okay, so I've got the P60 onto the floor now. It does weigh quite a bit. I thought it probably was easier to try and take it out of the box on the floor. I've undone the tape and let's have a look what's in here. Let's start getting these pieces out. After you've opened the box, there's a little bit of information, a couple of precautions there about not storing the machine below 2 degrees Celsius and not using hot water which is above 40 degrees Celsius. And on the other internal flap, there are images to show you how to screw in the metal water filter. So everything's out of the box. Here's the P60. It's a very solid piece of kit. Feels really weighty. And these are all the items which come in the package. So we've got the zero force gun, the zoom lance, the vario nozzle, the turbo nozzle, the water filter, and the 2 parts of the foam cannon, as well as the instruction books. Now this one is kind of technical specifications, and the other one has a lot of information about precautions that you should take. And let's just have a quick flick. Introduction, lots of safeguards, servicing information, unpacking and preparing it, operating instructions, general tips, how to avoid damaging surfaces, third-party equipment, and troubleshooting. And that's the lot for the English language. So let's have a look at assembly, what there is of it. At the front of the manual, there's a fold-out sheet which goes through some of the assembly information. And this page here looks like it could be quite handy. It gives you advice on which nozzles and how to use them for different applications, whether it's a car, a motorbike, a boat, brickwork, wood, etc. And apparently there's some more information on that kind of thing on the website as well. Firstly, we need to attach the water inlet filter. And you just do this hand tight, and that's what's going to, the garden hose connector will attach to that. That's a standard quick connector for garden hoses. We're screwed together the two parts of the foam cannon. And then that sits in its own little container. One end of the hose is already connected to the machine. So now I'm going to connect the other end to the gun. This has, here's where it goes, and that clicked in. Next, they suggest testing the trigger and the safety lock on the high pressure gun. So I'm going to release a little bit of hose so I can get to it more easily. Now, I've just realised what you need to do here is you pull this out slightly, and that releases the hose. Okay, so checking that the trigger works. That's fine. And then on the bottom here, there's a safety lock, which they suggest using at any time you're not using it. So most of the accessories will fit directly onto the gun. It's just a bayonet fitting. And then you have this collar for additional security, so that can't go anywhere. And then to release, just undo the collar and turn the bayonet the other direction. The one that won't go on is these ones with the pinpoint jet. For safety, it won't let you connect that directly to the hand. It just doesn't work. Kind of feels like it's going to go in, but it won't click in there. So it's a security measure. The foam cannon clicks straight onto it. Same thing, it's a bayonet, but just be careful which way you put it, otherwise you might end up with your foam cannon upside down, because it goes on both ways. So I think that most of the time when I'm using this gun, I'm going to be using it with the zoom lance. So that just clicks in with the bayonet and the collar, the same as all the others. And, oh, I've already put that one on there. But you'll see that this pinhole one, the turbo one, that wouldn't go connect straight to the gun, just goes in simply there with the same bayonet fitting as the others. Now, the other thing about the lance is there's a little button there. You press that button down and that extends it. You can obviously choose how much you want to extend it, but that's a really decent length now. And I think that will be really handy for people like me who are a bit of a giant, so that we can pressure wash without actually having to bend over too much. So yeah, seems like a good accessory. And on the back of this specifications manual is a handy little tool for unblocking nozzles. Let's take a look at the machine itself, and I'll run you through some of the features on this Master P60. So at the top here we've got the follow me hose reel. I'll take this plastic off. And you can see that swivels around. At the bottom here is a tilt resistant base, and there's a button on this side. Press in to pull that out. Next to the tilt resistant base is a long lasting metal water filter, which AVA have opted for instead of plastic ones. The storage on this machine seems to have been very well thought out. On the left hand side of the picture you can see the zoom lance, and you can keep it there, but there's also a horizontal position which I'll show you in a moment, which you can put it in for when you're actually in the middle of using the machine, which is kind of a handy way of grabbing it. There's also a slot there for the foam cannon on the bottom right hand side. There's a giant cable tie on the side here where you can attach the mains cable. There's space at the back of the machine for additional nozzle storage, and they can also go in here. Also at the back of the machine there's a lock and an unlock switch for the follow me hose reel, and this is also where the zoom lance can slot, so you can just plonk it down when you're in the middle of doing a job. If I take the lance off here, you can see on this side of the machine there's a button which allows you to put the height of the handle up and down. To sum up, this P60 is one of AVA's Master series of pressure washers. That's their kind of flagship range. They come in a P60, the one we've got here, and the P70 and P80. This one has 145 bar max, whereas the P70 has 150 and the P80 has 160. The weight of this one is 21 kilograms. The other two are slightly heavier, of 23 and 25 kilograms. This one uses 500 litres of water per hour. The others use 540 and 600 respectively. The accessories are attached using a bayonet fixing, and they are compatible, I understand, with Kärcher products as well. These steel reinforced hoses are one of the features of these machines, and when you hold on to these, they just don't feel like they would kink. Feel really strong and heavy duty. They really look like quality. Like the others in the range, this one has a 4-cylinder solid metal pump, and they've won various awards, including Price Runner's Best Choice Pressure Washer and a couple of other ones as well. These machines, the AVA machines generally, have already taken over half of the market share in Norway, where they've come from. AVA have built these machines with the aim of them lasting a long time, and with that in mind, they have up to 20-year warranties. They have 5 years out of the box, and then as long as you service them at the required intervals, which I think is about every 5 years, you can then have this up to 20-year warranty. So they're very, very keen on the idea that these will last and not just be throwaway products. So as I mentioned, AVA is a Norwegian company, and they've recently launched these products into the UK. The Master series sits fairly high up in their range of pressure washers, so it's one of their sort of better quality, more durable machines. AVA as a company are trying to buck the trend for disposable products, and they're aiming to focus on durability and quality, and suggesting that we maintain things rather than just chuck them away when we've had them for a couple of years. They have these really long warranties, and if you're anything like me, when you go and look for something, the length of a warranty is something that I really take into consideration. If I find a washing machine that's got a 1-year warranty or 2 years, as opposed to one with 5 years, that would be a really strong influence for me to buy the one with the longer warranty. So 20-year warranty to me is just that it suggests to me they really believe in their products. They've got some fabulous features which seem really sensible. They just feel like good quality. They're heavy, and as I mentioned, the steel reinforced hose reel really feels like it's really good quality as well, and it's built to last. They've obviously won awards on the back of that, so again it backs up the fact that it sounds like these are good quality machines. As these have only just been recently launched into the UK, just double check if you are interested in buying one. This one's called the large bundle here, but there may be some reconfiguring. So just double check what you're actually getting in the box if you're looking at making a purchase. I will put links to Amazon below where you can buy them, and you can use my affiliate link to do that if you would like to. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe and click the bell if you'd like to be notified of other videos like this one. I have already made another video on some of the AVA range, and there will be more coming up with some reviews, and you'll be able to see the machines in action. So if you click the bell, you should hopefully find those in your feed. I always appreciate if you'd like to give me a thumbs up if you like this. It really helps my channel. And also, if you're interested in additional content, then you can head over to Practically Perfect Mum's website, where you'll find full written reviews and some other content that you won't find anywhere else. So many thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.